Imagine never worrying about warm drinks on a road trip or needing extra freezer space for that backyard barbecue. This gadget claims to be your ultimate fridge and freezer, both in your car and at home. But does the outdoor car refrigerator, WU098, truly deliver? Right out of the box, the WU098 feels robust yet surprisingly compact. Its biggest draw is that dual-scene application. This single device seamlessly transitions from chilling groceries on the drive home to being an extra freezer for camping, or a handy beverage cooler in your garage. It's genuinely designed for versatility, a huge win for anyone who loves the outdoors or needs flexible cold storage. The core of its appeal lies in its cooling and heating function. Yes, it doesn't just refrigerate, it can freeze too. This isn't just about keeping sodas cool. We're talking about preserving perishables, keeping ice cream solid, or chilling wine to perfection. Handling both refrigeration and freezing means you're truly prepared for anything, from a long trip to storing extra frozen goods. Powering this marvel is a 20V input, making it highly adaptable. You can plug it into your car's power outlet on the go, then easily switch to a standard home outlet. This adaptability is key to its dual-use claim, making it incredibly convenient without needing separate appliances. It feels like a thoughtful design, simplifying your gear. Inside, the internal space design is quite reasonable. While not a full-sized fridge, it's laid out efficiently to maximize storage. You can comfortably fit several beverage cans, water bottles, or a decent amount of food for a day trip. They clearly considered how people actually use these, making organization easy. It feels sturdy, and controls are intuitive, always a plus. In terms of performance, it gets to temperature surprisingly quickly. You feel the chill almost immediately, and it holds its set temperature reliably. For a portable unit, consistent performance is crucial. It's not overly noisy either, a relief if you're using it at a quiet campsite or inside your home. It truly feels like a robust solution for reliable, portable cold storage. Overall, the outdoor car refrigerator, WU098, isn't just another cooler. It's a genuinely versatile and powerful portable refrigeration solution. If you frequently travel, camp, tailgate, or simply need flexible extra fridge-freezer space at home, this unit is an incredibly compelling option that truly lives up to its dual-use promise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.